Good morning, beta. Let's continue with the chapter Algebraic Expression and Identities, chapter number 9. Yesterday we had discussed about the terms, factors, degree. Degree is the highest power that we had discussed, type of algebraic expression on the basis of the terms we had discussed. And next question is to add the different expressions. It may be binomial, trinomial, monomial with polynomial. You have to make the additions of the different type of algebraic expressions. Now the first question from exercise of addition is question number 3 that depend upon the addition topic. AB minus BC, BC minus AC, CA minus AB. Three terms are there. You have to add them. You have to add these three terms. AB minus BC. Next is BC minus AC. And the third term is CA minus AB. These three terms are there. So I have written the like terms. Ananya, any problem? Okay. So this method is known as vertical method or column method, you can say. You have to write the like terms below the like terms. Otherwise, it's not possible to make the addition. So BC and BC are the like term. ये negative था, ये positive इसके नीचे आ गया. Minus AC, that is different. So I have written at the last. Next is CA. CA you will write here. It is of plus. Minus AB that you will write under this. And wherever the space is empty, you will write plus 0 at that place. Okay, so I have written addition sign and the empty spaces have been filled by 0. So this is positive, this is negative, cancel. Positive, negative, cancel. Positive, negative, cancel. Answer is 0. This is known as vertical method or column method. Now one more method is there that is known as horizontal method. So I'm solving the same question with that horizontal method also. So you will write the terms in this order. Here also you will collect the like terms. You will write the terms in the bracket AB, AB. Firstly, please open the bracket so that if change of sign will be there, then you can easily make. Now AB minus AB you will collect in one bracket. Minus BC plus BC you will collect in the second bracket. Minus CA plus CA you will collect in the third bracket. Is it okay? So as we are adding, so here you will put plus sign, because if you will not put plus sign in between the bracket, it will be multiplied. Got it, beta? If you will not put addition sign there in between the bracket, then it will change to multiplication. So it's compulsory to put the bracket with addition sign so that there it will be in your knowledge that we are adding the terms. ये प्लस किया, ये माइनस कैंसिल, प्लस माइनस कैंसिल, ये कैंसिल, आंसर इज 0. Answer will be same in both the method, but the way is different. So it will be better if you feel comfortable. Any of these method you can go for. It's not compulsory to do one particular method, but you should be aware of that, because in exam it must be written that solve by vertical method, solve by column method. So you have to do that. A minus B plus AB, B minus C plus BC, C minus A plus AC. There are three terms and each term you are having trinomial. So I have written trinomial. First का सीधा लिख दिया. Next था B minus C plus BC. These are unlike terms. So I have written at the end. Here next is minus A. A will be written under minus A. C will be written here and AC is all different. So you will write. And the empty spaces you will fill by 0. एक्चुअली जब आप ऐसे करते हो ना वर्टिकल मेथड से तो क्वेश्चन थोड़ा लेंदी हो जाता है ना. ये देखो 3 टर्म्स ही कितनी 6 बन गई. ये कैंसिल ए बी सेम, ये कैंसिल, यहाँ BC आ गया. when you add this you will get AC. So now we will go for this method. It's much better to use this method instead of vertical method. So next question we will do by horizontal method. Two terms are there, so I have written them in the horizontal manner. Let's add them. Collect the like terms in the same bracket. P square, Q square, P square, Q square, you will collect in one bracket. Minus 3PQ plus 7PQ, you will collect in one bracket. Plus will be there, next plus will be there, 4 plus 5 will be in the next bracket. Now when you solve them, this is plus minus minus, minus, plus minus minus 4PQ. Next is 9. So this is your answer.
दोनों में हम आंसर देने के लिए किया था.
Okay. So better to go for the horizontal method. L square plus M square, M square plus N square, N square plus L square, 2LM, 2MN plus 2NL. 4 terms are there. So add them. Collect the like terms. L square, L square. If minus is there outside the bracket, then be careful about that. But here we are having all plus sign, so doesn't make any difference. Collect the terms as it is. M square plus M square, N square plus N square, and the last term will be same because there is no term that contain LM, MN, and LN. Only these 3 terms are single, so you will write them as it is. No need to separate the terms because there are no other terms that contain the same terms. So that will be same. Any doubt? L square is 2L square. Actually, this will be considered constant. So plus 1 इसके आगे है, 1 plus 1 2 हो जाता है. जैसे A plus A 2A होता है, ऐसे ही 1L square plus 1L square 2L square होता है. M square plus M square is 2M square. n square is 2n square, 2lm, 2mn plus 2nn. So this is your answer. Question number 4, that is related to subtraction. So in the subtraction, you can again have two methods, vertical method and horizontal method. So you can opt for any method. First term is, the question is subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Subtract this term from this term. जिसको subtract करना है, the term which is going to be subtracted, you have to change the sign. So one method is there कि आप sign change यहाँ करो इसके नीचे, and the another way is to change the sign here directly. जिस term को आप minus कर रहे हो इसके sign change कर दो. ये plus का था minus, ये plus, ये minus, ये plus का minus. अब इनको add करो. आप कर रहे थे minus, minus में जब जैसे मैं आपको कहूँ subtract 3 from 12, तो आप 12 में से 3 माइनस करते हो, तो 3 पहले प्लस का था, अब क्या हो गया माइनस का. तो आप सेम वे में क्या कर रहे हो, आप इसको माइनस कर रहे हो, तो हमने इसकी साइन चेंज करके इसको इसके साथ प्लस कर दिया. अब आप इनको जब माइनस का साइन चेंज हो गया, तो अब आप इसमें इसको माइनस कर रहे हो. सेम वे में जब आप इसको माइनस कर रहे हो, साइन हैज ऑलरेडी बीन चेंज, सो यू विल ऐड प्लस माइनस माइनस साइन बड़े वाले का, प्लस माइनस माइनस साइन बड़े वाले का, प्लस माइनस माइनस साइन बड़े वाले का, माइनस माइनस प्लस साइन बड़े वाले. ये आ गया. नेक्स्ट इज बी पार्ट. subtract 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx from 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. इसको माइनस करना है इसमें से. नाउ चेंज द साइन ऑफ दिस टर्म. नेगेटिव negative positive. Now add them. Plus minus minus, sign will be of the greatest. Minus minus plus, sign will be of the greatest. Plus minus minus, 7 में से 2 minus करेंगे 5, sign will be of the greatest. And this will be same because there is 0. तो आपके पास 10xyz. So this is your answer. Please read it out once. Then you can easily solve the deep C part of this question. Answer of the next part is p square cube minus 7pq square 8pq plus 8pq minus 18q plus 5p plus 28. Okay. Yes, write one thing. We are discussing 1-2 examples. Write down. The area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Write down. The area of rectangle is length into breadth. where L is the length and B is the breadth. Area of rectangle is length into breadth, where length is L and breadth is B. If length of the rectangle is increased by 5, if length of the rectangle is increased by 5 and breadth is decreased by 3, and breadth is decreased by 3, then what will be the new area? Then what will be the new area? Exercise 9.1 we have finished. Length is L, breadth is B, area, earlier the area was length into breadth. Now length has increased to 5 and breadth has been decreased by 3. So new area is length into breadth. तो ये आपके पास एरिया आ गया. तो एक्सप्रेशन आपके पास आ गया. आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो बट लीव इट एज इट इज. दिस इज योर न्यू एरिया. This example is given on the page number 141. Yes, Jan.
Ma'am, please repeat that line once.
This one.
Yes.
Actually length L है, breadth B है, तो एरिया हो गया LB. That was given. आपको कहते हैं लेंथ को 5 इंक्रीज करना है, तो लेंथ में 5 प्लस कर दिया. ब्रेड्थ को डिक्रीज करना है 3 से, तो ब्रेड्थ में से 3 माइनस कर दिया. तो एरिया क्या आ जाएगा? L + 5 × B - 3. लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ. तो लेंथ को ब्रेड्थ से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज, इसी के नीचे दे रखा है, the volume of the rectangular box is given by the product of length, breadth and height. वॉल्यूम क्या होता है? एक क्यूबॉइड बॉक्स का LBH, और वॉल्यूम, ये वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड है. ये वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड है. अगर वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब चाहिए हो तो all the sides are same, तो A into A into A, that is A cube. This you have to learn. This you have to learn, beta. Okay. इसका एग्जाम्पल नंबर 4 जो है, दैट इज गिवन ऑन पेज नंबर 141. ये रीड कर लेना. इट इज गिवन इन द पैराग्राफ, तो ये रीड कर लेना. ठीक है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. एक्चुअली दीज एग्जाम्पल्स आर रिलेटेड टू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन, क्योंकि आप देख रहे हो इसमें लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ को क्या किया है? मल्टीप्लाई किया. तो हम यहाँ से मल्टीप्लिकेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं. पहले मोनोमियल को मोनोमियल से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. फर्स्ट इज 4x into 3x. 4 3s are 12. I want to tell you here is x is same. X की पावर 1 है, x की पावर 1 है. Whenever the base is same, power will be added. Answer is 12x square. 4y into 7y. 7 4s are 28. y की पावर 1 है, 1 है. Power 1 + 1 is 2. 5x into 7xy. 7 5s are 35. x into x, power 1 1, power 2 होगी. y will be same. Is it okay? 5x into -4 zy. x है यहाँ पे yz है. नथिंग इज कॉमन. मल्टीप्लाई में सब कुछ हो सकता है, लाइक टर्म हो अनलाइक हो, लेकिन एडिशन में लाइक टर्म सी प्लस होती है माइनस होती है. लेकिन मल्टीप्लाई में ऐसा नहीं होता. लाइक टर्म हो अनलाइक हो प्लस भी हो जाती है मल्टीप्लाई. 5 4s are 20. minus sign x, y, z. Answer is minus 20 x, y, z. Any doubt? Now do this 3x into 5y. Three fives are 15 xy. Nine y into 4y cube. 9y into 4y cube. 9 fours are 36. Y raised to power 1, y raised to power 3. Power will be added. Y raised to power 4. 2ax into 3by. 3 twos are 6. abxy. Okay. 2q into 4q cube. 2 fours are 8. Q raised to power 1, q raised to power 3. Base is same. Power will be added. Any problem? Start exercise 9.2 first question. Hurry up. Question number 1, 9.2. First question is 7 fours are 28 p. 7 fours are 28 with minus sign. P raised to power 1, P raised to power 1. Base is same, power will be added. 7 fours are 28 minus sign. P raised to power 1, P raised to power 1, P raised to power 2, Q. Okay. Anything multiplied by 0 will be 0. So that's all about the question number 1. Start question number 2. Start question number 2. In question number 2, first part is your P, Q. ये length है, length P, breadth Q, area you have to find. Area क्या होता है? Length into breadth. Length is P, breadth is Q, answer is PQ. Now the unit is not given. Unit is not given. So you will write PQ unit square, or you can write square unit. Whenever area and volume is there, you will be sure about the unit. You have to write the unit first. Otherwise, there will be deduction of marks. Second part, see one more part. 10m, 5m. Length is 10m. Breadth is 5n. Area is length into breadth. 10m multiplied by 5n. 10 fives are 50 m n square unit. 50 mn square unit. Prabsharan, any doubt? So do the next part.
No, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Do the next part, third part. Next answer of the third part is 100x square y square, square unit. Next is 4 3s are 12 x cube, square unit. Next is 3 4s are 12 m n square p, square unit. Got it? Any doubt? Question number 4 start karo. Question number 3 is in the tabular form that you will do in the book. Start the question number 4. Obtain the volume of the rectangular box. Volume is, we have just discussed the formula before this question. that the volume of the rectangular box is cuboid. Volume of cuboid is LBH. Volume of cuboid is LBH. Volume of cuboid. Rectangular box means cuboid. Now, just as I am in the room and the room is in the shape of the cuboid, that is rectangular box. It is closed now, it is in the form of rectangular. So it will be called cuboid and its volume is LBH and the length is 5a, breadth is 3a square and height is 7a raised to power 4. So volume is LBH 5a into 3a square into 7a raised to power 4. 3 5s are 15 and 15 into 7, 105, a raised to power 1 to a raised to power 7. Base is same, so power will be added and the unit will be unit cube. इसकी यहाँ से unit, ये unit, 3 बार हो गया, that will be unit cube. Or you can write cubic unit. As in that case, in the case of square, we have written a square unit. तो यहाँ पे cubic unit आएगा. Or you can write unit cube. Got it? Do the next part. Length is given 2p, breadth is 4q, and height is 8r. So volume will be LBH 64 PQR cubic unit. 64 PQR cubic unit. Do these questions, beta, hurry up. You all will be able to complete question number 4 and 5. Hurry up, I am waiting. You all please solve each part one by one. Hurry up. Homework I have already written on the board. You all will do this homework.